Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I'm an art therapist and professional clinical counselor at Able Artswork, and today I'm going to teach you how to sign different colors in American Sign Language. By learning different signs, we can help by communicating with our instructors on what color we'd like to use when we're in art class. So remember, we're going to sign in front of our bodies in a comfortable position. So why don't you come on with me and let's get started. So we're going to start with red first. We're going to take our pointer finger on our dominant hand. We're going to place it to our chin and we're going to move it away from our chin and curl like this. So red, red, red. Excellent. Now we're going to sign orange. We're going to take our hand, we're going to make a fist. We're going to put it up by our chin and we're going to open and close our fist. This is orange. Good. Orange. Excellent. Now let's do yellow. So yellow, we're going to take one hand and we're going to fold our three middle fingers down, kind of like a hang 10. And we're going to take our hand and we're going to go 1, 2. So this is yellow. Yellow. Excellent. Next, we're going to sign green. So we're going to take our hand, we're going to close our three fingers down, turn our hand sideways, and kind of pinch our fingers together like this. And then we're going to go back and forth. This is green. Green. Good. Next, we're going to sign blue. Blue, we're going to take our hand, we're going to fold our thumb across our palm like this, and we're going to go back and forth. Blue. Blue. Nicely done. Now let's do purple. So purple, we're going to take our hand, we're going to fold down our last two fingers like this. We're going to take our thumb, we're going to go through our two fingers like that. And we're going to bend them downwards. And then we're going to go back and forth. Purple. Purple. Good job. Now let's do pink. Pink is similar. We're going to take our same movement with our two fingers and our thumb in between, but we're going to take our middle finger, we're going to put it to our chin and we're going to move it up and down. Pink. 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 Good job. Now let's learn how to sign brown. Brown is similar to blue, being that it starts with a B. So we're going to take our hand, put our thumb across our palm. We're going to go to our ear and bring it down to our mouth. This is brown. Brown. Excellent. Two more colors to go. We're going to do white. So white, we're going to take our hand, put it to our chest, and bring it out as we close our fingers. White. Looks like this. White. Excellent. Lastly, we're going to learn how to sign black. So black, we're going to make a fist, except for our one finger we're going to have sticking out. We're going to put it on our forehead and cross. Black. Black. Good job. Now you know how to sign all the colors of the rainbow. I hope that you find this helpful. If you found at any point I went too fast, just rewind this video and keep watching so you can continue to learn the sign language. Thank you for joining me.